everybody. I know this is a very off-topic video because I don't normally do like craft related things or DIY related things, but I just wanted to show you this really interesting fun creation I made since last night. It is actually just a single headband, so I'm going to take this off to show you. But I decorated it so it's a lot of like bedazzle kind of thing, like pizzazz. And this thing right here is actually like some kind of ribbon. It's called fairy, like I forgot, but it's from dollskill.com. And I kind of like wrapped it, like made kind of like a bow sort of substance. And if you see how it has like a opening right here, you can put like a clip like in that area if you want, which I discovered doesn't look that great, but it really just depends on your preference. This is my bow that has a strawberry charm. It's really cute to put on the back of your ponytail or to put on something like this, which the bow was originally just only on this green thing that you see that was tucked into the headband, because if you notice it has folds. And with a headband like this, you can decorate it like how I did with just like putting like a ribbon kind of thing and onto the sides and then wear it on your head, voila. But this is some kind of like string that belongs to a headband of mine, but it was dirty and I threw it away. But this I turned into a bow too, if you can tell. I just kind of like wrapped it around each other because there's two of them. And yeah, so this is my creation. And since it is a single headband and can fit with a lot of stuff on it, you just put this one on top of it if you want to. And that is all. Let me just see if I can get it. You have to be careful with this one headband that you see because it's kind of fragile. It's just very fancy. I really don't, just don't roughhouse with it. But yeah, this is how it looks, and I was really proud of this creation. So remember, you can actually bedazzle your headbands, which I'm sure hasn't been done before, but creative minds, everyone. So, bye.